Welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll cover how to remove custom networks from a cloud space. If you would like to review the topics covered in the previous video, the concert net, the user net, and boundary IPs, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. To remove a custom network or user net, make your way to the cloud space in question, click the Manage button, and select Networking from the column on the left. Once you've found the network you want to delete, click the Remove button here. If you remove the network and check the Deallocate box, it will completely remove the network. If you remove the network without selecting the Deallocate option, the result is an unregistered subnet. In this case, the network will no longer be visible in the cloud space, but it can be re-registered at a later date by clicking the Register button down here. If you then re-register a subnet, you will not be able to deallocate it without submitting a ticket. For a deallocation to be successful, you cannot have any runs associated with that network, and so to check for any active runs, return to the Cloudspace's overview page and select the deployment run header. If there are any active runs, the deallocation process will fail and you may need to put in a support ticket. And please, do not try to remove the concert net. That will not end well. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.